Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change file names for NDA forms to ensure your non-disclosure agreements are always easy to find and understand. Adopting a clear naming convention is essential. This approach helps you quickly identify the document's purpose and parties involved without even opening the file. We'll cover simple yet powerful strategies to keep your digital workspace organized and efficient, saving you valuable time and reducing potential confusion. When naming your NDA forms, incorporating essential details directly into the file name is crucial. Begin with NDA to clearly state the document type. Next, include the names of the two primary parties involved, separated by an underscore or hyphen, for instance, Acme Corp Innovate Inc. Finally, add the effective date in a year-month-day format, such as 2025-09-27, to provide a clear timeline. This structure ensures every file is self-explanatory. Consistency is key to an organized file system. Always use underscores or hyphens instead of spaces or special characters, as these can cause issues with some systems. For dates, stick to a year-month-day format, like 2025-09-27, to ensure chronological sorting. Aim for file names that are descriptive but not overly long, ideally keeping them under 50 characters. This discipline makes managing hundreds of documents much simpler and more efficient. Adopting a proper file naming convention for your NDA forms offers numerous benefits. You will dramatically reduce the time spent searching for specific documents, often cutting search times by more than 50%. Clear file names minimize the risk of opening the wrong agreement, preventing potential errors and confusion. Ultimately, this systematic approach enhances your overall document management, creating a more organized and efficient workflow for all your confidential agreements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.